I can eat this?
Bonjour.
Ooh, I can make that. I would also choose a pavlova over edamame beans any day of the week. Start by whipping room temperature egg whites until they are nice and foamy. Then slowly add in superfine sugar, allowing each new addition of sugar to melt into the egg whites before adding more. When about half of the sugar has been added, we can toss in cornstarch, cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt to stabilize the egg whites. Then we can slowly incorporate the rest of the sugar and whip until the egg whites are smooth, glossy, and form stiff peaks. Next, plop all of the meringue onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and use a spatula to shape the pavlova. Pull the sides up and inwards to help build the strength of the pavlova. And add a swirl in the middle to ensure even baking all the way through. Then we can transfer the pavlova to an oven set at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until the pavlova is dry on the outside or for at least an hour and a half. While the pavlova is cooling, we can make the topping by whipping together heavy cream, vanilla, and some powdered sugar until a thick whipped cream comes together. Once the pavlova has cooled, pile the whipped cream into the center of the pavlova before topping it off with fresh fruits like kiwi, strawberries, blueberry, and mango. And don't forget a sprig of mint leaf and some sprinkles to win the cafe competition. And bonjour discoteca! You've made a pavlova! Pavlovas are a rare dish to find in North America, so making this Australian dessert was a ton of fun, especially with Bluey playing in the background. My 7-year-old nephew was originally the one who asked about this dish, and because I'm trying to be the cool aunt, of course I had to oblige his request. What fictional feast should I make next? And how many long dogs could you find in this video? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.